Hey everyone, Verizon satellite texting lets you send messages without cell signal. Here's how it works, what you need, and when it's useful. Verizon satellite texting lets you send and receive text messages even when you have no cellular signal. By contacting your phone directly by satellite keeps you connected in remote areas. This feature is available on select devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25, Google Pixel 9 and iPhone 14 or newer with iOS 18, but you must be outdoor with a clear view or the sky for it to work. Verizon Satellite Texting explains send messages without cell signal. Verizon Satellite Texting allows customers send and receive text messages via satellite when outside the coverage of traditional cellular networks. This service enables texting to any device on any network, ensuring connectivity in remote or off grid locations where cell signal is unavailable. You must be outdoors with a clear view of the sky for the service to function, and the feature is not available on older Android models or iPhones. This satellite texting capability is a part of Verizon's broader strategy to blend satellite and terrestrial networks, enhancing connectivity for emergency situations, outdoor activities, and areas with poor cellular coverage. Verizon is also exploring satellite data services and video calling via satellite, pushing the boundaries of mobile communication technology. Verizon satellite texting on iOS with iOS 18, iPhone 14, and later models can send and receive messages via satellite when outside cellular or Wi Fi coverage. This feature works for both iMessage and SMS, supporting text, emojis, and tapbacks directly from the message app. Apple satellite messaging uses the Global Star satellite network. Users are prompted to connect to a satellite when needed and messages remain end-to-end encrypted. Verizon does not currently offer its own satellite texting for iPhone beyond Apple's built-in service, and the Skylo-based Verizon satellite texting is not compatible with iPhones. Verizon satellite texting on Android. Verizon's satellite texting is available on select Android devices, especially the Samsung Galaxy S25 and Google Pixel 9 series. With these devices, you can send and receive text message via satellite to any device even when outside cellular or Wi-Fi coverage. The service is powered by Verizon's partnership with Skylo using licensed satellite spectrum to provide coverage in remote areas. Emergency SOS features with location sharing are also supported on these Android models. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.